Welcome back to Coffee and Clicks. Today we're talking about something that might ruffle a few feathers. Why your website still beats social media. I know, TikTok's hot, Instagram's fun, but at the end of the day, likes don't pay bills. Let's talk about control, credibility, and conversions. The 3 C's that make your website your most valuable marketing asset. Social platforms are rented space. You don't own your followers, the algorithm does. Your reach can disappear overnight. One update, one policy change, and poof, all that momentum is gone. But your website, that's your land. You own it. You set the rules. You control the message. It's the only place your audience can truly connect with your brand. No middleman, no algorithm games. When people want to verify a business, they don't scroll your Instagram, they Google you. Your website is where trust is built. A professional design says you're legitimate. Reviews and testimonials show proof. And clear calls to action show you mean business. Social media can make you look popular, but your website makes you look professional. Social media gets attention, but your website closes the deal. Think of it like this. Social is the party. Your website is the meeting after the party where the real business happens. That's where forms, bookings, and payments live. That's where analytics tell you what's working, and that's where your brand becomes a business. So sure, use social media to attract, but build your website to convert. Because if your entire business lives on social, you're just one algorithm update away from starting over. Own your digital real estate. Build your website like you mean it. If you want help making your site the center of your strategy, visit SoFlowSites.com. We'll make sure your brand looks as good online as it does in person. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Coffee and Clicks.